Okay, I figured out how I was going to hold the engine and get the engine cage to work on this. Then I'll run a crossbar over here, going that way to that cage, and from there I'll have a tube go from there to here on both sides to help hold that up. And voila, that part's done. So I guess I could tack all that stuff up. Now that I got this figured out, nothing's in the way there. All that part there might be in the way. I'm gonna have to push it this way some still. Yeah, like that for the CV joint. There. So I better get the CV joint first before I weld that one on. It should clear. I'll find out. This side. I need to get some tape on those socks